Few things are as intimidating as parenting. It seems like the longer that I parent, the less confident I become in my abilities. When we first got married, I had no kids, but 4 great ideas about parenting. Now, we have 4 kids, and I have 0 great ideas about parenting.
Yeah, when Lifeway first asked us to do this, I thought, are you serious? Are you sure you want us to do this? We've got a lot of questions ourselves still.
And that's why we're going to do our best to let the scriptures speak. Psalm 127 says that children are like arrows. An arrow is designed to be shot out, not to just sit safely in the quiver. So we're going to do our entire study with a view toward how to raise up the next generation to carry on the mission.
Raising up the next generation is not an assignment God gave just to parents. He gave it to the entire Christian community.
You see, Psalm 127 is not just written to parents, it's written to all the people of God. The church is to have spiritual children, and producing and raising those children is the responsibility of the entire Christian community, not just biological parents.
We're excited about this crucial study for raising the next generation and launching them out into the mission of God.
We are looking forward to being with you for Ready to Launch.